Hi and welcome to Bradley's Space. I'm Bradley, and in this video we're doing something different. We're taking a look at a camera. I know, it's mad that I've not done anything on camera before, considering how much I love photography and videography and that kind of thing, and it's probably the main reason I make YouTube anyway. But let's get into it. So basically, around about Christmas time, I was given a gift voucher from work, and I had about £300 to spend on a second camera. Now, there were some things that I know I wanted. I wanted it to be mirrorless, preferably micro four thirds, and shoot 4K video. They were kind of the things that I wanted. Preferably Olympus, so it could fit my battery system. Definitely micro four thirds, so I didn't have to buy any new lenses. It meant I could go cheaper on the body. And 4K, because it's 2021. I mean, you need 4K. But yeah, and it went quite well. And basically, I was able to pick up this. The Olympus Pen PL10. A super rare camera for some reason. I think it's due to what happened, I think back in 2019, where Olympus just kind of shut down and and they stopped selling cameras in the UK and stuff like that. And for whatever reason, this never really got a proper release. There's not many videos on YouTube, not much sample footage out there, so we're about to put that right. But I'm really chuffed with it. Let's just go over some of the basics and then we'll get into some more detailed view. So this is it. It's a really compact camera. It's perfect for throwing into the bag. It's cute, it's pretty. It's meant for vloggers and beauty photographers and that kind of thing, but if it's got decent hardware, why not? This is it with the prime lens on. You can tell I didn't buy it with a lens because I'm pretty sure it comes with like a nice silver pancake lens, but I mean, for £300 it ain't gonna come with any kind of good lens. It's pretty decent so far. I'll show you some sample footage and everything later, but I really like it. It's got everything you need. It's got a little flash, metal hot shoe so you can attach things to it, stuff like a flash, all the dials, and a digital power button, which I'm not too fond of. I think it is too easy to press on and off. The thing it's lacking is a mic port. I think for a vlogging camera you should have a mic port. It's pretty essential in my opinion. It has a mini HDMI out and a USB in, so you can charge it over USB, which is really handy. It's something I do a lot, save getting out a battery charger. It takes the newer Olympus batteries, so if you've already got an Olympus camera, perfect, just swap your batteries in. I'm actually really pleased with it. It's basically been my girlfriend's camera when we go on trips, etc. And she's really happy with it too. She never really used a proper camera before, and for someone who hadn't used a real camera, she finds it really simple to use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell you some footage and let's go into the camera in more detail. So here it is, and I think she looks really cute. It's an all white style, kind of made for that beauty vlogger, but got everything you need. An on off button, digital, don't really like that. Shutter button and a functions button, brilliant. A metal hot shoe cover, which is a really nice addition. You don't always get that on Olympus cameras. And under there is a flash, which we don't need to go into much detail about. You got some function buttons up there, and on the side you have a USB and a HDMI. No mic input on this, which is really weird considering the vlogging camera. Again, really weird considering vlogging camera. No flip around screen, just kind of that for taking photos, so you know. Anyway, here's some sample footage. It looks really good, it looks really clean, just a little bit of colour on this and it pops. It's brilliant for B-roll and that kind of thing. It looks absolutely amazing. It also takes pretty decent stills. I mean, look at these, they look fab. I mean, this didn't take much work, just kind of harsh test with some of the light and it came out brilliant. So there it is, the Olympus Pen PL10, and I like it. Biggest downfall so far is when I've just switched over to the Olympus Pen to film the outro for this video, I can't see myself, so I have no idea if I'm in frame. But as I said, this is being shot on the Olympus Pen, so the sound quality probably isn't as good because I can't put an external microphone into it, but it did look a little bit brighter, which was interesting. So perhaps there's something I need to work out on my main camera's settings there. But let me know what you think in terms of a vlogging camera and in terms of just a camera in general, photography and stuff. I've put some photos in the video so you can see some samples, etc. And I'm pretty impressed for the price and stuff like that. It's a great B camera, or an A camera if you're getting into it. So let me know what you think. I'm really happy with it. There's going to be more videos to come, probably shot on this camera as well, so I can shoot some main camera like videos and photography and stuff like that. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment, ring that bell, and I've been Bradley. Thank you for watching.